Mornings can be a rush, but that doesn't mean your breakfast has to suffer. Today, I'm sharing 3 super quick and delicious breakfast smoothies designed to fuel your busy mornings. First up, a refreshing green detox smoothie. Combine spinach, half a frozen banana, a cup of frozen pineapple, fresh ginger, and coconut water. Blend until smooth. Next, we have the Berry Protein Power Smoothie. Blend mixed frozen berries, protein powder, almond milk, and chia seeds for a creamy, energizing treat. And for a vibrant boost, try the tropical Turmeric Glow Smoothie. Combine frozen mango, orange juice, Greek yogurt, turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. Blend until silky smooth. There you have it. 3 easy and healthy breakfast smoothies to make your mornings a breeze. Which one will be your new go-to? Let me know in the comments.